अब शुरू हुआ पूरा सब इम्प्रेशंस।
May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir?
सर कोई गलती होगी तो माफ कीजिएगा। गुरु को जब से देखा मिला मुझको सुकून, गुरु को जब से देखा मिला मुझको सुकून। तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही मेरा विधाता, तुझसे जन्मों का नाता। और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू तुझ में प्रभु दिखता है गुरुवर, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में प्रभु दिखता है गुरुवर, मैं क्या करूं।
Good morning, everyone. As we know, it is last day of ours here. It is farewell today, right? Suddenly we come to know that it is going to our last day because of COVID or Omicron, whatever, right? I'm not a lecturer. I'm not a well-experienced person that I can suggest you well. But being a student, whatever I have learned from my life and the teachers and bureaucrats, whatever I watched, right? On the basis of those things, I would like to tell you a few things. First of all, I would like to thank Mahesh sir. He is really well. He always motivated us. He always supported us, right? And a few things I would like to tell you that today we are here. Tomorrow we will be at some other places. Whatever we are doesn't matter. But few things which must be known to everyone, that wherever we are, we must be regular or punctual. If we are regular or punctual, then it will be easy to get the things well, right? If we are regular, then we can score well, then we can achieve our goals in a right way. And if we are regular and punctual, then we will get whatever we want to learn, right? Second is concentration. Whatever someone is telling, or teachers or anyone, we should concentrate that time, and we should listen carefully those things, whatever anyone, that may be friends or your parents, we should listen those things well. Then we can get any conclusion. If you are good listener, then you can be good speaker, right? It's proverb, as you know, right? And one more thing I would like to tell you, that we should not use meaningless word in our life. If you say those words which doesn't have any meaning, it means you are useless. People will consider you not as a good person, right? So we should not use meaningless word. And how to be a good human being? Most of the people says that if you are successful, it means you are good human being. No, not at all. If you are rich, it doesn't mean you are good. If you are empowered, it doesn't mean you are good human being. To be a good human being, your behavior must be well. Whatever your position is, doesn't matter. Your behavior must be well with anyone, with poor, with those people who are in power, and teachers, everyone. Whether they are very whether they belongs to very poor family or rich family, but your behavior decides your goodness. That indicates the goodness of human being, right? And one more thing I would like to tell you, that wherever we are, we should not deal wrong with anyone. We should not behave wrong with anyone, because if you are doing wrong with anyone, it doesn't mean you are good, and you will get that. There is a famous proverb in Hindi, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी, ना माने तो करके देख, जन्नत भी है दोजख भी है, ना माने तो मर के देख. And we should always work hard, and as we know, there is a famous शेर of Iqbal. As we know, Iqbal, who wrote सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदू सिता हमारा. He said that in Hindi, actually his language was different, but I am saying in Hindi, right? Just a second. ना उम्मीद मत हो अपनी किश्ते वीरा से ए इकबाल, ना उम्मीद मत हो अपनी किश्ते वीरा से ए इकबाल, जरा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी बड़ी जरखेज है साकी. And one more share I would like to tell, that मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को गर कुछ मर्तबा चाहते, मिटा दे अपनी हस्ती को गर कुछ मर्तबा चाहते हो, कि दाना खाक में मिलकर गुले गुलजार होता है. And at the last, I would like to end my whatever I'm saying. न दौलत न शोहरत न किसी हूर की चाहत. Here in this world, न दौलत न शोहरत न किसी हूर की चाहत, बस जहां को यही मेरा पैगाम कह देना, बस जहां को यही मेरा पैगाम कह देना. दोस्तों मिले तुम्हें जिंदगी में बेशुमार खुशियां, दोस्तों मिले तुम्हें जिंदगी में बेशुमार खुशियां, बस कतराए मोहब्बत मेरे नाम कर देना.
अज्ञानता के दूर करके हमने ज्ञान की ज्योति जलाई है. अज्ञानता को दूर की अज्ञानता की दूर की.
What have you felt in global English classes? You have to share your feelings in few words.
Good morning, all of you. I am Aryan Bhargava.
Speak loudly, please.
Today, first I would like to thank our Mahesh sir and all of the class who have given me the opportunity to speak some of words that I have felt in front of all of you. And I will try to keep my speech brief and to the point. Actually, at first when I entered the class, I had seen on the board you can hear well. We are thankful to those students who have trusted in me and my institute. So actually, you are thanking us to trust on. You are thanking us because we have trusted on you. But actually, we are more thankful than how much you are. Just because it is the fact that we have trusted you at first, but then the thing that you have given us, I think it's not easier to be given by anyone. And the thing that you have given us is enough for what we wanted and what we have expected from us. And actually, it's not just about what we have expected, it's more than what we have expected from you. And you have stood exactly as what we have expected. All over in the journey with you, I have spent a small journey with you, and the time that I have spent with you was enough to. The time that I have spent with you was enough to go closer to you and see how you have spent the whole year with all of the students with us. And I think the way you teach is one of the most appropriate way a teacher should teach. That your class is disciplined as it should be, and the way you teach, you go personally with every student so that every student would have a better experience in the class and could feel good while we study. And actually, it's the fact that while we study, the teacher must have to be connected with every student so that he can feel free enough to ask any question, to state the and to have their doubt clear in front of the teacher. And you have did that. We are very thankful to you for that. And the way I liked that one, the way you have motivated us in the every way, every day in our life, you have given us some motivation to move ahead, to do something better, and to achieve something, whatever we want or whatever we deserve. Then that motivation, I am damn sure that I will not forget that. Just because the way you motivated, it was awesome, just awesome. So I won't try to take my speech too longer. At last, I'll just have some words to tell about you. Today, when I came into the class, you have given a brief speech. And in that speech, you have told that whenever in your life you will have any requirement, you have showed that either it is related to health issue or education issue or anything else. If we will got to have any issue, then you told me that not only me, you have told all over the class that if they would have any such issue, then he should or she should come to you. You will surely help them or her. So, but actually, I wanted to tell that why I and I think whole of my class will want to become such person that one day you will come to us to say that help this one student, he is also my student. And on that day, we will feel proud that I have studied from this teacher, he has taught me and I am here. And in the position that I have got right now, he has participated a lot in my life to motivate me and to make me reach to that position. And thanks to you for all of the things that you have given to all of the class.
Thank you for sharing your words towards Global English classes. You have confidently said what have you felt in Global English classes. I am really thankful to you. Students are greater than teachers, I feel. But what you feel, I don't know. Because I am a teacher, you are a student. And it's my privilege that you have given some time in my classes and I have taught you English and Hindi. And I hope that your examination will be very good. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपकी परीक्षा अच्छे जाएं. Any girl who wants to share your experience or your words? Some students, some girls are belonging to the CBSE board or ICSE board. If you want to say something, then you can stand and say. Any girls? In Hindi, what you want to say? आप कोई girls हैं जो हिंदी में बोलना चाहते हैं?
गुरु गोविंद खरे काके लागो पाय गुरु गोविंद दो खरे काके लागो पाय बलिहारी बुद्धि देखो गोविंद दियो बताए कबीरा गोविंद दियो बताए गुरु गोविंद दो खरे काके लागो पाए बलिहारी बुद्धि देखो गोविंद दियो बताए कबीरा गोविंद दियो बताए बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर पंछी को छाया नहीं फल लगे अति दूर कबीरा फल लगे अति दूर मदर टेरेसा
बोलिए.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल my dear friends, good morning. मैं पिछले 1.5 वर्षों से यहाँ ग्लोबल इंग्लिश क्लासेज में पढ़ रहा हूँ। हमने यहाँ बहुत से अच्छी भावनाएं सीखे, जैसे कि हमें एक गुड मैनर क्या होता है हमने यही से सीखा। हमने और हमारे क्लास है, जैसे कि हमारे और भी क्लास है, हमने और गुड मैनर नहीं सीखा, लेकिन बट हमने ग्लोबल पिछले 1.5 वर्षों से जितना हमने गुड मैनर सीखा उतना शायद हमने पिछले क्लास में कहीं नहीं सीखा होगा। इसलिए हम अपने टीचर महेश सर का धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं, जिन्होंने हमें 1.5 साल एक अच्छे डिसिप्लिन में रखा। एक अच्छे डिसिप्लिन में नहीं बल्कि उन्होंने हमें एक अच्छा माहौल दिया, एक पढ़ने का, एक जिसे कहते हैं पढ़ने का माहौल, एक पढ़ने का माहौल मिला जिससे कि हम अच्छा कर सकते हैं। और हमें विश्वास है कि हम अच्छा करेंगे, क्योंकि हमें एक सच्चाई, इसके लिए हम हमेशा महेश सर का धन्यवाद करेंगे, जिसके लिए कि उन्होंने हमें पिछले 1.5 वर्षों से अच्छी मेहनत किए और हम पे काफी विश्वास किए। इसलिए हम महेश सर का विश्वास करना चाहेंगे, उन्होंने हमें पिछले 1.5 वर्षों से गुड मैनर सीखा। इसके लिए हम उन्हें धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं और हमें डिसिप्लिन में रख के हमें एक अच्छा विद्यार्थी बनाए, इसके लिए हम उनका धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं।
और गर्ल्स में देखो बाकी गर्ल्स कहोगे कि सर क्यों नहीं किए, आप लोग भी अपना What have you felt in global English classes? You have to speak loudly.
Good morning, everyone. I'm not a regular student of this batch, but
माइक नजदीक करके बोलिए ताकि आवाज आपको आ जाए।
I have joined this batch in a crash course, but I think I have experienced a very good.
Thank you.
वीडियो बना रहे साउंड रिकॉर्ड नहीं होता, वैसा बात कर रहा है।
Bye sir, we will miss you a lot. Actually the experience that we have experienced with you was wonderful.
चलिए ना पीछे आ। कोई भाई विशाल बात है क्या कर रहे हैं?
शेर में थोड़ी चाली रखी रहती है, बाकी सर उनसे तो चाली
नहीं बहुत अच्छा रहा। इधर थोड़ा देखते जाना।